My sweet tiger lily. It feels like I've waited for you for what seems like forever. You're so tiny, so new, yet it feels like you've always been here, a part of me.
That one or this one?
Every new day with you makes my heart fuller, but also makes me realize how this sweet stage is so short. I've never wanted to freeze time more than now. The way you feel against my chest, our hearts beating in unison. These are the little moments that you won't remember, but I hope you know I'm holding on to them closer than anything. With love, Mama.